Hello, this is Andrew, owner of Digital Nest. The reason I'm sending you this video is my team and I took a look at your web presence. We took a look at your website and we took a look at how you're showing up in the search results on Google, Bing, etc. and found out that we can definitely help you out tremendously. And what I mean by that is we can get you on page one of Google for all the different search terms that people are utilizing to locate an attorney in your area, because I'm looking for an additional attorney partner in your specific area that we can get to page one. Now, I'm talking about getting you on page one for all the different key terms that people utilize. People utilize maybe 50, 60, 70 different key terms, keyword phrases in order to search an attorney that offers a specific skill set that they're looking for. And imagine showing up on page one for all those different terms. It's a game changer. I just want to show you a couple of quick things here so you understand the power of being on page one of Google, because being on page one of Google is really the holy grail for a law firm. I mean, less than probably 0.5% of law firms end up on page one of Google, and they tend to dominate organically. Now, organically I say because when people are searching, that's organic traffic. And when they search and get onto Google or Bing or wherever, they skip the main ads, the paid ads, and they go right to the organic ads. And the reason they do that is, in their mind, the organic ads have the most trust by Google and the most trustworthy businesses because they don't have a sponsored ad by them. And if you're on page two and beyond for some keywords, 10% of the people click to go to page two. So there's really not much conversions that happen on page two, not a lot of activity. And again, if you're doing pay-per-click ads, continue to do so, but just remember that up to 90% of the people are skipping those paid ads and going right to the organic ads, which leads to the power of Google, because being on page one of Google gives you that immediate exposure for all the different key terms. More exposure means more opportunities, because you're going to increase your engagements, you're going to get more website traffic, as it says here, and you're going to inevitably generate more leads from calls and forums and so forth. And at the end of the day, for the firm, it's all about growth and getting the right qualified clients in the door. So that increase in exposure, traffic, and leads is going to lead to more revenue. And speaking of revenue, we put our money where our mouth is. We're so confident in our process, we'll actually start the process without collecting the first payment until we show you actual undeniable proof that you're landing on page one of Google. And once we get you on page one, we're going to keep you on page one. So the biggest question that you probably have is, how can you do that when other companies take 6 months to a year to get us on page one for 10 keywords? Let's get on a call. Let's talk about it. I'll show you what we've done for other law firms and other companies. I look forward to speaking with you if you're serious about this. Again, Andrew with Digital Nest. I'll talk to you soon.